If you're a new creator and you've been creating videos and uploading on YouTube but you have not been getting views, your videos have not been getting views, then you want to try out these things that I'm going to be explaining to you on this video. And the best part about this is that they are totally free and you can do it directly on your YouTube ad, and there are things that you've probably not been doing. That's why you have not been able to get views. So this is something that these top creators do. If you want to check out. In fact, if you don't believe me, whatever I say here, go on ahead to one of these big creators to YouTube channels and check. Definitely you are going to see them applying it. So this is something that they do that we small YouTubers don't really take note of. Like when I started YouTube, I just thought the highest thing was for you to create video and edit it, and once you've done good editing, then your videos are going to start getting traction. But when I started the process, I found out that this YouTube street is not easy. There are a lot of other settings that you need to do here and there. There are a lot of strategies you need to understand for you to be able to go here on YouTube. So that's why I'm going to be explaining all these processes to you. And please, you want to make sure that you're applying this to your channel, because this is something that is really going to help you to start seeing traction after some time. Yes, your growth might not be immediate. If it is slow, then it's going to take a few weeks before you start seeing traction. And another thing you want to be sure that you're doing is that you're being consistent, because YouTube loves consistency. Once you're being consistent on YouTube and you start applying these things I'm going to be explaining to you, trust me, you're going to start seeing growth and traction on your video. So let's move in straight into the video. But before that, please consider giving this video thumbs up and subscribing to this channel. In case you're seeing me for the first time, hi, hello, my name is Karen. Welcome to the channel. Go on ahead and become a member of the family by clicking on that subscribe button and clicking the notification bell, so that whenever there is a new video, you will be notified to come and watch. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You know, I really do appreciate you. So let's get in straight into it. So the very first thing you want to start doing after being consistent and creating very good and engaging content on YouTube is that you want to go into those videos that you have already uploaded into YouTube and start remixing them into shorts. Yes, like shorts nowadays is something that YouTube used to push your content out there further. Like YouTube push short video further than your long form video. So you want to make sure that you're utilizing your short. Like the easiest way is just for you to, that content that you have already created, go on ahead, click on that remix button. It's going to take you to your video. Then you just re-edit your video, position the size, the ratio. You look for that most interesting and attracting part of the video, you put it as your short. Then you now, that way it is going to help YouTube to push your videos further out there, and that way people are going to see that video and then come for your long form video. So this is the very first thing you want to start doing for you to start getting views on YouTube. The second thing is that you want to start to create pin comment. Like anytime you upload a video, after uploading the video, you want to make sure you go over, you watch the video yourself, then you place a pin comment on the video. So just in case YouTube does not allow you to put a pin comment, you want to, like, probably you look for someone else's phone, or you go to there's this mode that when you press it, I've forgotten, autopilot or something like that, that when you get into this mode, it's going to make your phone to not recognize that you are the owner of that channel. That way you can now put that pin comment. So when you put that pin comment, you want to write something like a message that is really attractive, to in a way that it can really cause engagement, cause people to answer questions. And whenever you want to respond, you make sure you respond in a way that is going to make people, like in a conversation kind of way. So always remember to create pin comments in your description, in your comment section after uploading your videos. Then the next thing you want to consider doing is pinning video links to your description. Yes, like when after pinning the comments or the pin comments that you've pin on your comment section, you want to make sure you explain in a way that is going to make you to pin a link of another video to the comment. So possibly you can pin the link of a playlist in your video, or you can just pin the link of a video explaining exactly, giving a little description of what exactly that video is. So it's better for you to pin a comment in a video in your comment section. That way it's going to give you another plus view. So if someone leaves the video that they were watching, they go into read your comments, they see the link of another video, they enter there, and probably from there your end screen takes them to another video. That is really going to be good for your channel, because when someone watches your video from one video to another, or watches your video in series, that's giving good signal to the YouTube algorithm that this video is actually good, so they should start pushing it more to people out there. And that's how your video is going to keep on get pushed out there for other people to watch, and it's going to start ranking your video. So you want to ensure that you paste the link of your video or your playlist in your pinned comment. The fourth thing you want to consider doing is posting to your community. Like, your community is one of your greatest assets you have here on YouTube. Each time you create a video, after a few minutes, like 30 to 1 hour, you want to make sure, in fact, what I will advise you to do is that just before you upload your videos, you make a post of it. Like, if you're about to upload a video tomorrow, if possible, you've already created, you've already had your title, a little description, and your maybe a post like a picture or the thumbnail or something. You post it today so that YouTube can start pushing it out to your audience in preparation for the real content to come. That's just going to be like some kind of like publicity for the real video. So that is something that is going to help you. Yes, I know you're going to be like, now I am a small YouTuber and I don't have audience, what is going to happen? It doesn't matter, as long as you have above 50 above 500 or 50, above 500 subscribers, you're going to have access to your community tab. So when you have access to that community tab, you want to make sure you're making good use of it, so it's going to help you to push your video forward. The fourth thing you want to make sure you're using is your posting to your community. Like, your community tab is one of your greatest assets you have here on YouTube. So as soon as you are granted access to your community tab, like when you have about 500 subscribers, you'll now be able to gain access to your community tab. So when you gain access to your community tab, you want to keep on posting your you can post in form of pictures, in form of videos, as well as posts like you ask a question for your community to answer. This way it's going to help you to know maybe like the next video you're going to create, or it's going to give you an idea of exactly what to do next, or how many people like your content and things like that. Then, but picture post has been proven to move faster when it comes to your community tab. Yes, I know in your mind you're going to be like, but I don't really have a lot of subscribers right now, so what can I do? Even if you don't have people engaging with your post, go on ahead and keep on posting. Even on days that you're not uploading video, make sure you do something on your post. Like, you need to be posting on your community post every single day. Even on days you're not posting, you want to make sure that you put the link, you give a little description or explain a little story, and then link your subscribers to, and then send the link of an old video to your subscribers in your community post, so that when they read your community post, they are going to enter that link and go watch that video, especially for a video that has not been having views for some time. So this is another way that you can help you to be able to gain views on your channel. So you make sure you are making use of your community tab. Either you're using the post, you're using the picture form, you're using just the text form, or you're using the video form. So the text form has been proven not to be very effective, but when you use the graphic form or the picture form, has been proven to be more it has been proven that viewers respond more when it comes to using a picture than when it's just a simple text. So the advice I'm going to give you is that just before you upload your videos, if you've already created your title, your description, and your thumbnail, go on ahead and send the link into your community tab. Like, tell your community that that the video is coming. Like, maybe you can ask them, between these two thumbnail, which one would they like prefer, or between these two titles, which one would they prefer for the upcoming video. That way you're going to start getting engagement, and it's really going to help your growth on YouTube. Next one is making use of your playlist in your description. Like, you want to make sure that you're adding the links of your playlist. Like, you've created your playlist already. If you haven't, please go on ahead and create playlists of your phone. Like, playlist as like title, just like playlist, it is like a playlist, just like you have a playlist of music in your phone, like a playlist that maybe you've named them. You have videos that has to do with videos on how to get views on YouTube, videos on how to create your YouTube channel, videos on how to have more subscribers on YouTube. So you want to make sure you've created your playlist into different names, very strategic names. Then you also look for ways that you can put in. You need to be so strategic when you're choosing the names and the videos to put under each playlist. So you want to ensure that you always have at least the link of one of your playlists in your description. That way, when somebody goes through your description, they are going to enter your playlist and they are going to start watching. Maybe you can talk, maybe you spoke about a video, you're just going to inform them that there's a playlist down in the description box below. They can go there and watch this and this video. And when they watch that video, YouTube now is going to recommend another of your video and they are going to keep on watching. And when they watch your videos in series, if they watch like 2 or 3 of your videos in series, that is a very good signal to the algorithm. Like the algorithm is going to love that. And the last one is going to be transitioning. So you want to make sure you transition your video into another video. Like it means you should not end your video, like you should not let your audience know that you're ending your video. That way they are just going to skip off your video. So immediately you finish what you're saying, you want to introduce or create another hook for the next video that you're going to be creating. So you want, in your mind, you want to arrange your videos in such a way that they go in series. You need to look for a hook that is going to, they are going to use that hook for, to introduce them to the next video that is using your end screen. Go on ahead and click the link on the screen and it's going to be taking you to the next video that is going to show you how to create a playlist for your video, so that you can start adding them to your links, to your pinned comments, so that you can start getting more of those videos. So see you in the next video.